So I have two of the ceiling accent pieces oiled, and I'll get them out of here, and then we'll do two more. I'm going to get four ready, and then we'll start putting them up. What I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about drilling through it and going right up into the floor joists or ceiling joists. It's going to be a little bit hard on the thick one, but I think I can do it because I have some long screws, and I think it'll be a cleaner method rather than going sideways. I think it'll be easier to do. But there we are on the ceiling design pieces. They look really good. You can see the curly soft maple there, and all the black walnut. Looks really good. The cherry. I really like the contrast between the cherry and the black walnut. They're two similar woods in that their density is very similar. They're both smooth or closed grain, so they both sand really similar. They both burn easy too, though, so you have to be careful when you're sanding. But they're kind of similar woods, so they kind of contrast nicely together. And here we have a contrast between the white walnut and black walnut. White walnut's also called butternut. So I think that's always a nice contrast too. But others contrast really nice. Here we have a red oak and black walnut. And then on the bottom there, I wonder if that's one of the oh, it might be a black walnut, but towards the edge of the board. Let's look. Yeah, it is a black walnut right here. But this is towards the outer part of the tree, so you get that variation. Okay, really cool.